Okay, so hi guys, it's me Luigi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, my reaction video for the Lunate, which is the sneakers music video. So I don't know if maririnig ako ng maayos kasi hindi siya okay yung ano ko. And today is July 23, 8:45. Let's go and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification upload. Hindi na ako mag-i-spell man. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Wait lang. Comment down below is your bias here in this group, guys, and I will check it out in the comments section. Oh, I thought it's a... Oh my god, that hair. Meron familiar. Oh, yes. Bag with me. Please, guys. I'm not familiar with them or their names, or I know, but I know. Wait. Oh, guys, come. Who is this one? Who is this one? The blonde. Ang cute, guys, promotion to ng sneakers. Sneakers na chocolate or sneakers na shoes. I'm just kidding, guys. I don't know. But I love the concept, guys. Pare-pares lang siya na parang yung mga boy group na ini-stan ko. I like the top. Ganda ng editing, oh. Oh. Cute. Ganda, grabe. Ay, wait. I think this is my first time na magkaroon ng reaction video sa group na to. Oh! Ah, yeah. Kasi nasa laundry sila. Then, siguro nag-over yung machine din. So, kasi Bubbles. That's Alphamart. Grabe ang aesthetic. Pa. Yupuyo. Ay, grabe. I think I will start to listen their songs and memorize their songs. Wala pa tayong napiling thumbnail. Oh my gosh. Ang liwanag pag yun. I think dito tayo sa blue. Kasi ang liwanag pag yun. Nasaan na siya sa blocks. Ganda talaga ng fits. Okay. This one. Grabe, wait lang. Maghanap tayo ng thumbnail, guys. Oh my god. I think this one. That's our video. Sorry for the bye bye.